Hello everyone, I am a certified abacus trainer and in the videos I'm going to forward you from now onwards. I'm going to tell you about the abacus. So before starting with the abacus, you must know what is abacus tool. Which is the abacus tool? So this is the abacus tool. If you want to learn abacus with me, you have to buy this abacus tool from the market. It will cost you around 50 to 60 rupees. That's it. And I'm going to cover each and every concept. I mean 8 levels of abacus. There are 8 levels of abacus, and I'm going to take each and every concept of abacus in this. So this is abacus tool, and if you see, these are beads. These are called beads. These are called lower beads, and these are called upper beads. So some beads are here. These are called upper beads, and some beads are here. These are called lower beads. So in abacus, every function is performed by the every function is performed by these 3 fingers while closing the last 2 fingers. So we have to do every activity on this abacus tool with these 3 fingers. So we must know the names of these 3 fingers. First is thumb, second is index finger, and third is middle finger. And you have to close these 2 fingers when you are performing abacus operations. So I'll clear you again that this is thumb, as you all know, this is index finger, and this is middle finger. You must know, because I'm going to do every operation, every sum, every activity with these 3 fingers. Now when you keep the abacus tool on your table like this, so there are some beads are touching this, and some beads are like up down. So you have to clear the abacus. So write down in your notebooks, there are 2 ways of clearing the abacus. First is long clearing, and second is short clearing. Long clearing is done when we place the tool on the table with thumb and middle finger. You have to make the pinch like this, and you can do the long clearing from left to right like this. From left to right like this, okay? And if when you do some sum like this, 1, then 2, 3, then if you the sum is complete, now you want to do another sum in the abacus tool, on the abacus tool. So what will you do? You will do short clearing. After doing every sum, you have to do short clearing with the same fingers, thumb and middle finger, and you will make a pinch and you will do short clearing. Write down these things in your notebooks. You will do short clearing with this with these fingers like this, long clearing from left to right like this, and short clearing like this from right to left. Okay, this is the first thing. Second, when you are going to solve the sum, obviously you will write the answer also. So for this, you have to hold the pencil in the last 2 fingers of your hand. If you are right hander, you will hold the pencil in your right hand, and if you are left hander, obviously you will hold the pencil in your left hand. Okay, so I have told you about the abacus tool. I have told you about how to hold the pencil, then how to do clearing. I have also told you about the fingers, right? So we will learn each and every concept with the help of worksheet, with the help of sums, with the very easy method, and you will see the change in your child while doing the sums in their daily life. अब जब आप इससे अबैकस टूल से सम्स करेंगे ना, तो आपको दिखेगा कि आपके जो चाइल्ड की लाइफ में कितने चेंजेस आ रहे हैं. द परफेक्ट एज टू स्टार्ट अबैकस टूल द परफेक्ट एज टू स्टार्ट अबैकस इज 5 years. 5 years का बच्चा कर सकता है, और बहुत जल्दी बहुत अच्छा अडेप्ट करता है एक बड़े बच्चे से ज्यादा. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका माइंड अभी डेवलप हो रहा है, तो जो भी हम उसके ब्रेन में डालेंगे वो इजिली ग्रैस्प कर लेगा. ठीक है, तो आपने क्या करना है, मैं इसकी क्लासेस दूंगी. These classes are obviously free of cost. I am going to give, but this is going to make your child a very confident. You will see. For this, please subscribe to my channel so you can get the notifications. Okay, so this is today is the first class where I have told you about the basic things. For the next class you have to buy this tool, which will cost you around 50 to 60. I already told you. So please buy this tool, and I want to impart my knowledge to everyone, so that I can use my knowledge, and every child can be benefited from this, right? Now I am going, we can solve the sums of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with the help of this abacus tool. When we start with the abacus, we have to use this tool, but when we are trained, जब हम बहुत सारे सम्स इस पे कर लेते हैं ना, तो फिर हम ये abacus tool भी यूज नहीं करते, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स का क्वेश्चन आएगा कि हम पेपर में क्या ये abacus tool यूज करेंगे सम्स निकालने के लिए? नो। तो बेसिकली हम ये जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, कुछ लेवल्स के लिए हम ये टूल यूज करते हैं, और फिर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि ये टूल भी हमने यूज नहीं करना है, और विद द हेल्प ऑफ फिंगर्स ओनली एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ आवर शार्प ब्रेन वी विल सॉल्व द सम्स. You will see the results very soon if you will start learning from me from the very first class. So today I have told you about the basic concepts only. I hope you will buy this abacus tool from the market and keep your notebook open when you are learning from my abacus class. And today also please write down the basic things like how to hold the pencil, how to clear the abacus, and what are the name of the fingers, and these are the beads, and how to place the tool on the table like this. And when you will place the table, when you will place the abacus tool on the table, how will you clear the beads, everything. So इस क्लास में जो मैंने अभी तक आपको बताया है, सिर्फ आप करके देखोगे, ताकि जब नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपको बताऊं कि हमने सम्स कैसे सॉल्व करने हैं या और भी चीजें आपको बताऊं, अगर आपको बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स पता होंगे तो आप इजीली सम सॉल्व कर पाओगे. नहीं तो आपको फिर मेरी सेकंड क्लास के लिए फर्स्ट क्लास में जाना पड़ेगा, जो कि फिर आप मेरे साथ साथ नहीं लर्न कर पाओगे. पर मैं चाहती हूं कि आप मेरे साथ साथ लर्न करो. फॉर दिस प्लीज फॉलो मी and make your child a confident child. Thank you.